Let's have a look at the highlights then from this match. And this was the opener very early on, 6 minutes in. Mouhammadjon Raḥimov with the third goal for his country, the first on the night.
Yeah, poor marking aside, but what a finish from Raḥimov. Took it on the full volley, and then bounce, of course. Beats everyone along the way to the far corner.
Now Singapore would have an opportunity here, courtesy of Raihan Stewart, and made an enterprising run into the penalty box. And he was going for goal, trying to hit that towards the far post, where it just went out for a throw in the end.
This was a beautiful ball from Adam Swandi, cutting across the ball. Good first touch, and then I suspect he was going for goal there.
That effort coming 30 minutes after Raḥimov had opened the scoring. There was a chance here for Tajikistan to get a second. Good save from Hassan Sani. That one, the touch coming off Nuruddin Kamrokulov.
Yeah, that was a good save, wasn't it, from Hassan? Off this touch. Point blank save. Saw it late. Good save.
Nicely done by Kamrokulov to just force Hassan into a very good save there. Not much time to react to that. Got down well. An effort from Singapore here in the second half. Haris Harun from range, straight down the middle. But we didn't see enough of this, I think, from the home side. Encouraging bit of play, creating that opportunity, but just didn't quite happen for them.
Yeah, just one of a few chances created from Singapore here, and Haris Harun with a shot. Never really troubled the goalkeeper, Baratov.
And in the 63rd minute, be another opportunity here. Shaul Anwar linking up with Song Ayong. Song with the cutback, just couldn't quite find another red shirt.
Yeah, good combination play there, good link-up play. Song Ayong with that touch in for Shawal. After this ball in from Haris, very good touch from Song Ayong. And then his cutback, just couldn't reach Adam Swandi.
That was the yellow card for Adam Swandi. And this one would be a straight red for him. A couple of clashes there with Tabrez Islamov, spotted by the referee. And he had no choice, really, the referee here, Shasi, but to show the red card.
Yeah, he gave the referee no choice at all to show Adam Swandi the straight red card. Remember, he was already on a yellow card. This was the first challenge, definitely a foul. The referee gave that advantage. Wasn't really much of an advantage, but then off the ball, you can see there at the top of the of your picture, arm across opponent's face.
And there was a first attempt at a punch, he missed, and then took the second chance with his forearm to the jaw of Islamov. Picked up a yellow card in all of that. And Tajikistan here had an opportunity to extend their lead. Raḥimov again with a late run. This time couldn't quite get the right sort of connection.
The goal scorer again on the spot there, but brilliant ball in from skipper Omar Bahed. Hassan probably just does enough to put him off, but what a ball this was.
Tajikistan would go on and get their second goal. A swift counter-attacking move, well finished off by Vahdat Khanonov to make it 2-0.
Yeah, this was a classy finish from the right back. You wouldn't think he was a right back the way he finished this one off. Receiving the ball out wide on the right and then going past. And is it there? Beautiful finish with his left foot.
Now Khanonov sealing things up. As his boy of Muhammad Ali picking up an assist with their pass into Khanonov. Really well done. Showed good composure just to sit down. Christopher Van Huysen kept his cool, found the way past Hassan Sani to make it 2-0 and seal the win for his side.